Vijay Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss the main group lecture 5. In this lecture we discuss about oxy and oxyacid of sulfur. Oxo, oxy both are same. Okay, we call oxoacid of sulfur, also called oxyacid of sulfur. Okay, now start the basic thing first. Please note the common oxidation state of sulfur. It should be 3 state. One is +2, okay, and second one is +4, and third one is +6. Okay, generally the +2 state never show oxyacid of sulfur. Please note only one, the +4 and +6. Okay, the shown in oxoacid. Okay, oxoacid. Okay, previous video I discussed about what oxyacid of same as same principle. And that case also pyro or phosphoric acid, right? Same case we are going to apply here. Okay, if you see the last video now, the class will be very easy for you. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is common oxygen? +2 and +4 and +6, and +4 and +6 generally shown by what? Oxoacid, and +2 never shown in the oxoacid. Okay, now see. And second thing, it's a trick. Please note trick. What is a trick? In generally, okay, the total bonds bracket hetero, not same. Okay, hetero bonds. Total hetero bonds around the sulfur, that is equal to its oxidation state. Its oxidation state of sulfur. Okay, sulfur surrounding 4 hetero bond na, that is what of +4 oxidation state. Other sulfur surrounding 6 hetero atom na, it should be what 6 hetero bond na, it should be what 6 oxidation state. Okay, now see, and second plus fine. And second thing we discussed already, phosphorus. Okay, the ic acid. What is ic acid? Higher oxidation state. Okay, next one, us acid. It should be what? Lower oxidation state. Okay, lower oxidation state. Okay, this is common principle for what? Oxyacid of sulfur. Next I'm going to explain one by one oxyacid. Okay, now first one, very simple one. I take one H2SO3, and second one it should be H2SO4. Now see the oxidation state, it should be +6, it should be +4, right? Therefore this end with ic acid. This is ic acid, right? This is us acid. +6 na higher, +4 na lower. Okay, understand? Example. Therefore this is what? Us acid. Okay, this is what? Ic acid, right? Therefore what is the name of this one? This is sulfurous acid. This is sulfurous acid. Okay, this is sulfuric acid. This is what? Sulfuric acid. Simple. Okay, sulfuric acid. Now what is the structure? Sulfuric acid, S double bond O and double bond O, then OH, then OH, right? Now how many hetero atoms present there surround the sulfur atom? 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore sulfur is what? +6 state. Simple, right? Go for sulfurous acid. Same, S double bond O, here OH, then this is OH and one lone pair. Okay, because sulfur 6 valence atom, right? Therefore how many hetero atoms? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore it should be +4 oxidation state. Understand? Very simple. Okay, this is what? The two common what? Oxyacid of sulfur, one H2SO3 and H2SO4. Next I am going to discuss, as per we discuss in phosphorus, right? That pyro, meta, similar trick, similar manner. I am going to what? Write the structure of what? Oxyacid of sulfur. Now see, the third one, that is pyro. When you call pyro acid, remember, you remember, right? Listen, take 2 moles of the 2 molecules of ic acid. Okay, ic acid. If we remove water molecule, right? H2O, I get what? Pyro acid. Right? Similar method. Now what is ic acid here? Sulfuric acid, right? Take 2 moles of sulfuric acid, formula 2H2SO4. Okay, and remove the water molecule and H2O. Okay, total 4, 2 water molecule release, therefore H2, and sulfur total 8, 1, therefore S2O7. This is what? Pyrosulfuric acid. What is this name called? Pyrosulfuric acid. Simple, right? Now, what is the structure? Do you know the sulfuric acid structure, right? Yes, double bond O and double bond O, then OH and OH. This is sulfuric acid. Take another molecule, S, double bond O and double bond O and OH and OH. Now remove the water molecule. There OH, here H. Therefore, H2O can release minus H2O. They form what? The pyrosulfuric acid. Yes, double bond O and double bond O, then O and S, double bond O and double bond O, then OH, then OH. Okay, this is called what? This is H2, S2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H2, S2, O, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, H2, S2, O7. This is pyro what? Sulfuric acid. Very simple, right? Similarly, third one, we already know meta, right? When we call meta, take more than 2 molecules, right? Please note, more than 2 molecules. The more than the 2 molecules of very simple same, similar to phosphorus, okay? Molecules of ic acid. Okay, remove of what? Minus NH2. If we take 3 molecules now, I remove 2 water molecules. If we take 4 molecules now, I remove what? 3 water molecules. Similar, okay. If we take 3 ic acid now, I remove what? 2 water molecules, right? Similar matter, I put NH2O. How many molecules take? That equal to what? NH2O. Okay. 2 molecules are the 1 H2O and 2 molecules are the 2 H2O. Similar, okay. They get what? Meta phosphoric acid, meta sulfuric acid. Okay. Similar to what? Phosphorus. I'm going to give the structure for you. See the structure. This is S double bond O. Then this is S double bond O and OH. Here also OH with sulfuric acid. I take 3 moles. S double bond O and here OH. Here also OH. Here S double bond O. Okay, plus here plus. Then take other mole. S double bond O and S double bond O and here OH and OH. Remove the what? 2 water molecule, right? And 2 H2O. What will happen? Release, right? Therefore, what is the product now? See, S double bond O and double bond O, here S double bond O and double bond O, then oxygen, S double bond O, OH. Simple. What is the molecular formula? How many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. How many sulfur? 1, 2, 3 sulfur H2. How many oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. H4, 10. Similar to what? Phosphorus. Okay, similar to phosphorus. Everything should be same. Okay, everything should be same. Okay. Now, fourth one, very important. What is the name? This one, meta tri. 3 molecule, right? Meta tri sulfuric acid. Meta tri sulfuric acid. See, if we take 3 molecules now, we have to remove 2 H2O. If we take 4 molecules now, we have to remove 3 H2O. If we take 5 molecules, we have to remove 4 H2O. Okay, similar. Now, this one is very, very important. Put very important. That is what? The polysulfurous acid containing PSS bond. Okay, please note. What's the topic? The very important topic. The polysulfurous acid. Polysulfurous acid with SS bond. Sulfur bond. Okay, sulfur bonds. Now see, they are classified 2 types generally. What are the 2 types? They are classified 2 types. One is thionous acid, other is thionic acid. Please note, this is thionous acid. Okay, this is thionous acid. And next one is thionic acid. What is general formula? See, thionous acid. S double bond O. Here OH, okay, here S, N term, okay, I take N means number of sulfur, S double bond O, OH, this is thionous acid. For thionic, what is general formula? S double bond O and double bond O, here S, N term, okay, then S double bond O and double bond O, then here OH and OH, okay. This is thionous, this is what? Thionic. Now see in this, listen. Sulfur, listen, note, very important point, note. Always, okay, AA, okay, is it homatomic molecule? For homatomic molecule, what is oxygen state? 0, 0. Understand? BB, whenever the same atom, okay, connected to the bond now, what is the oxygen of the element? 0, 0. Similarly, okay, in this case for 1 bond and 2 bond 3 bond. This sulfur same, therefore this plus 3. Similarly, 1, 2, 3. This HOMO, right? We cannot take only heteroatom only. This also plus 3. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sulfur not possible, right? Therefore, this plus 5. Similarly, this is plus 5. Okay. Now, in case of thioneous acid, the both sulfur, okay, and both sulfur. In case of N is equal to 0, N is equal to 0 on this one, there is no SS bond, right? Only one SS bond, right? There is no what in between sulfur. That case what? The both sulfur can exit plus 3 plus 3. Okay. In thionic acid, both sulfur exit what? Plus 5 plus 5. Understand? Now going to give the example, you will understand. What is N value? Please note. The N value should be 0 and 1 and 2 and 3, etc. Okay. We can start from 0 also. Now give the example. Please note. Very important example. Please first take thioneous acid. Okay. Please note. First example. Thioneous acid. Thioneous acid. What is the formula? S double bond O, here OH, here S and N and S double bond OH. Right now I put N equal to 2. See what is structure? S double bond O, here S and S, right? And S double bond O, here OH, OH. Now what is the question? What is the oxygen state of the 4 sulfur atom? Now see, in this sulfur containing what? 1, 2, 3 heteroatom, therefore plus 3. In sulfur 0. Sulfur 0. In this case what? 1, 2, 3 heteroatom. This is homoatom, right? Therefore plus 3. Therefore among the 4 sulfur atom, okay, the 2 sulfur atom is plus 3. The other 2 sulfur atom what? 2 sulfur atom will be 0 oxidation state. Understand? This way you can find out what? The oxidation state of what? Thioneous acid. Similar to thionic acid. Okay. Go first thionic acid example. Second one, thionic acid example. Thionic acid. Same example. What is the formula? Common formula? S double bond O. Here also double bond O. Here S N term, right? Here S double bond O and double bond O. Here OH. Here also OH. I put same N equal to 2. Okay. This is N equal to 2. This 1, 2, 4. Okay. N equal to 2, right? Therefore 4 sulfur present. Here also same, right? Yes. Double bond O and double bond O. Here OH and S sulfur. Double bond O and double bond O. Here OH. Now find oxygen state. We know this is for sulfur 0, 0. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5, right? Therefore this is plus 5. This is 0. This is 0. This is plus 5 oxidation state. Understand? Okay. This about what? Thioneous and the thione. Okay. Next I go and discuss the very important one, that is called what? Peroxo acid of sulfur. Very important, please note. And next important one, peroxo acid of sulfur. That means peroxy bond. Okay, O bond. Sulfur. Now see, very simple. Listen, sulfur and phosphorus same, both are same. Okay, structure of oxy acid. Okay. Now see. Now please note, very important 2 examples. First example, it should be H2SO5. What is the formula? S double bond O. Okay. Then here also double bond O. Here OOH. Okay, this OH. This H2SO5 structure. And second acid, very important. That is H2S2O8. What is the structure of this molecule? S double bond O and double bond O and O oxygen. Here double bond O and double bond O, here OH. Okay, they containing what? Peroxy. What is peroxy linkage? This is peroxy linkage. Okay, this acid called as what? Mortulus acid. Very important. Mortulus acid. Yes, Mortulus acid. This called as what? Caro acid. This is Caros acid. Caros acid. Understand? Okay, this is important for what? Peroxo acid of sulfur. Okay. Now I'm going to show what is common overall oxy acid of sulfur. I'm going to show this list. See the next slide. Okay. This containing what? The overall what? List of the oxy acid of sulfur. The first, what is first one? The sulfurous acid. See, what is sulfurous acid? H2SO3. Okay. This is called sulfurous acid. And H2S2O8 in the pyro. I take 2 moles of sulfurous acid. I get a pyro, right? Similar to what? Thiothionic acid. I take N equal to 0 in this case. N equal to 0. I get what? Thioneous acid, right? In case of sulfuric acid, same. I take H2SO4, I take 2 moles now, that is what? The pyrosulfuric acid, right? This pyrosulfuric. This I get what? Thiosulfuric acid. That is H2S2O3. Very important. This containing what? This only containing what? S linkage, double bond linkage. Please know, very important acid. They ask in exam. Okay. This containing what? Sulfur, double bond linkage. There is no what? No SS linkage. In case of a di. In case of tri, once one. Okay. Are tetra, two SS bond. Okay. Very important. And C. This is thionic series. Okay, thionic series na H2 in this sulfuric acid. Okay, sulfuric acid series la I take what? I make this type of bond. Yes, double bond O, OH. Here yes, double bond OH. Okay, you also N is equal to 0, right? It's a common formula we discussed already. Okay, you put 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, any number you can put. Okay, generally till 4 is possible. Okay, 5 is not possible in case of thionic series. Then we discussed previous. Just now, the peroxo acid series, right? There will be H2SO. What is the name of this one? Peroxo monos. Please, very important. What is name? Peroxo monosulfuric acid. Okay. What is common name? Carros acid. Very important for exam point of view. This is OO bond, peroxy bond. A second example I discussed already. H2S2O8. That is peroxo disulfuric acid. Okay. I get what? One OO bond, peroxy bond. Okay. This is all about what? All about the oxyacid of sulfur. I hope you understand, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, please revise oxyacid of sulfurous and oxyacid of phosphorus as well. Okay, very important topic for your exam point of view. And tata bye bye, and see you in the studio and as soon as possible.